Welcome to our fifth video. In this video, we are going to discuss recurring decimals. We will discuss conversion of recurring decimals to fractions. We can go to worked out examples. Example 1. Express 0.3 where 3 is recurring as a fraction. Solution. We are going to let x to be 0.3333 recurring, and then we can go to multiples of 10 whereby we get 10x as 3.3333 recurring. We can call the first equation equation 1 and the second equation equation 2, and then we are going to subtract equation 2 less equation 1, whereby we have 10x minus x, that gives us 9x, 3.33 minus 0.33, that will give us 3. So we are going to have 9x is equals to 3. And then when we divide both sides by 9, we are going to get x is 1 over 3. Example 2. Express 0.73 where 3 is recurring as a fraction. Solution. We are going to let x to be 0.7333, and then multiples of 10. 10x is equal to 7.3333, whereby we are going to call that equation 1. And then we have 100x will give us 73.3333. We call that equation 2. Both equations are similar, as in we have 0.333, and then we are going to take equation 2 minus equation 1, where we have 100x minus 10x to give us 90x, and then 73.333 minus 7.333 to give us 66. When we divide both sides by 90, we are going to get x is equals to 66 over 90, and then we give that in simplest form. We get 11 over 15. Example 3. Convert 0.15 where 1 and 5 are recurring as a fraction in the form of a over b. Solution. We are going to let x to be 0.151515, and then 10x will be 1.515151. The two equations don't have the same pattern, so we can go to 100x, whereby we are going to get 100x as 15.151515. We call that equation 2. And then when we compare that with x is equals to 0.1515, the two patterns are similar. So we can say equation 2 minus equation 1, whereby we have 100x minus x, that gives us 99x, and then 15.1515 minus 0.1515, that gives us 15. When we divide both sides by 99, we are going to get x is 15 over 99, and that can simplify to 5 over 33. Example 4. Given that the recurring decimal 1.523 where 5, 2 and 3 are recurring is equivalent to a over b in its simplest form, where a and b are integers, find the value of a and b. Solution. Let x to be 1.52353, and then multiples of 10. 10x is equals to 15.23523. These two patterns are not similar. And then we go to 100x. That gives us 152.352352. Again, this pattern is also not similar. And then we go to 1000x. This gives us 1523.52353. So this pattern is similar to the first pattern. So we can say equation 2 minus equation 1, whereby we have 1000x minus x. This gives us 999x. And then 1523.52353 minus 1.523523, that gives us 1522. When we divide both sides by 999, we get 1522 over 999, and then we can give that as 1 at the 523 all over 999. Question 5. Convert 3.256, where 5 and 6 are recurring, to fraction. Solution. Let x to be 3.2565656. 10x will be 32.565656. And then these two patterns are not similar. We can go to 100x. This gives us 325.656565. Again, the pattern is not similar. And then we go to 1000x. This gives us 3256.5656. So here we have gotten similar patterns. That is pattern 1 and pattern 2. And we can say pattern 2 less pattern 1. This gives us 1000x minus 10x, and that is 990x. And then we have 3256.5656 less 32.565656, and that will give us 3224. When we divide both sides by 990, we are going to get 3224 all over 990. That given us mixed fraction will give us 3 at 127 over 495. We can go to revision questions. Question 1. Express 2.813 where 1 and 3 are recurring as a fraction. Question 2. Given that the recurring decimal 6.34 where 3 and 4 are recurring is equivalent to a over b in its simplest form, where a and b are integers, find the value of a and b. Question 3. Express 0.272727 recurring as a fraction in the form a over b, where a and b are integers. Question 4. Express 0.215 where 2, 1 and 5 are recurring as a fraction. Question 5. Given that 0.67 where 7 is recurring is equivalent to a over b, where a and b are integers, find their value. Question 6. Express 4.15243 where 243 are recurring as a fraction in its simplest form. Solutions. Question 1. The answer is 2, 161 over 198. Question 2. A is 628. And then B is 99. Question 3, the answer is 3 over 11. Question 4, the answer is 215 all over 999. Question 5, the answer is 61 over 90. Question 6, the answer is 4, 141 over 925. See you in the next video.